You can join now. You want to join? Okay. Hurry, you only have a few seconds. Yeah, you join. They're not teaming anymore. Her sister just wants to let everyone win. It's waiting for more players! She is good. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Stop looking at my screen. Hey! It's over there. It's at the blue and white then. Okay? Because I can. I know you're gonna try getting me. Who is it? Oh, the Dark Princess girl. Which one? Luna or Star Mermaid? Better than you. I could do anything better than you. Better. Okay. That girl is just hacking in the middle. You should get her. She's annoying. She called her sister a bee. Star Mermaid. I want her to freeze. I don't like her at all. No, not Dark Mermaid. Dark Mermaid's nice. Because in the chats. Woo! Oh my gosh! Stop looking at my screen. It's annoying. You keep looking at my screen. It's annoying. Ooh. Star Mermaid's dead. Oh man. Okay, I'll go the other way then. Oh my gosh. No, Dark Princess! Ah! Dang it! Oh my gosh. It's just you and me, Luna. It's just you and me, Luna. Shoot, you're looking at my screen. I'm dead. No, they're not getting mad at you. They're getting mad at they're not really getting mad at you. I'm not evil.
You're an idiot.
Shoot. I hope she's hacking.
No!
I'm evil. Oh my gosh, stop looking at my screen.
Oh my gosh,
No.
no. I know you're coming.
Stop looking at my screen. You keep looking at my screen. That's not fair. That's not fair. You are. Hey, stop. She's looking at my screen. She's looking at my screen. Don't troll me, please. Don't. No.
Ethan, please, can I talk with you?
What? What?
Oh my gosh.
Look what she's doing. Look what she said.
Wait, you're lagging.
I am? What do you mean you're? No, I'm not. You're lagging. You're lagging. Am I lagging? Am I lagging?
I can't open the door.
Oh, you're lagging.
Wait, never mind. Wait, this is such a disadvantage. The door myself. This is such a disadvantage.
That's what you're doing because it said waiting for more players. Let's take the mouse. Stop.
I haven't took the mouse since forever.
Nope. Doing me? Got my heart beat to the beat of my. Oh, she's serious.
I'll tell you if I see one. Hey, saw one.
Where? Oh gosh, I'm laggy. My name is Allie.
We haven't even took a break once yet. Well, we did once. But like,
Hi, Allie. Frick.
and that's it.
Hi. Luna's nicer than I thought.
I got
Oops.
the computer for what?
Yes, bring the computer. Dang it. Let's break that computer up there and make Star Mermaid. I'm easy. I'm easy. Break it. Dang it. Hi. Oh, yes. No, it's not in the office. Break it, 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 break it. Break it, break it, break it, break it. Oh, I have an idea. Shoo. Oh, no. Oh, she's like, hi. That would be way better if I'm on my phone. These stupid computers. They're gone. I think there's one in the airplane and here. Yeah, there's one here.
Oh no, she's coming.
No, she's not. She just passed me. She's letting us live. She just did it on accident because when you type, it sometimes whacks. Bruh!
I'm ready to kill this computer.
Okay, I killed it too.
No. Hey, you said stop.
Ooh, this is my computer. I could see your butt was going down when you were doing that. Okay. Sorry. I mean, I'm not gonna finish it in time when into airplane. I'm already halfway to 80. I'm about to catch up to Jenny. I caught up to you like 3 months ago. Yep, you're way better. Ah, that girl always leaves everyone. When she does every single thing for her, and she's very spoiled. I am not friending Star Mermaid. I'm friending those two, the Luna Ors and Dark Princess. Dark Princess, please. Dark Princess, please. Okay, escape. Ah, she can't even escape. The heck? She gonna escape. I only have.
No, please. No.
Ow! Oh well, that's gonna be the end of this video because technically she's out. So goodbye.